So these are the instructions. Put Dishy McFlatFace somewhere, route the wire, plug in the router, and you've got Wi-Fi. That's it. Set the dish down, run the cable in, plug in the router, you're done. Nice. Oh yeah, we have the plugs out test on the boat. So these big charge controllers are on now. And it's warm but not hot. Everything is run through this inverter at the moment. I guess 560 watts for right now. So it's running the air conditioner, the freezer, the fridge, and these battery chargers and the lights off of solar at the moment. This is the first day that I've had the boat unplugged from the wall and running on solar. If I can do it, then no, I'm perfect. If once they got it so that I know how to work it, then everything. It's over 80 outside at the moment. So 76 degrees in here. It's doing pretty good. It's 11 a.m. And the batteries are recharging. Let's see. 52% already. So yeah, they're well on their way to getting a full recharge today. They ran the air conditioner all night last night, and the freezer, and the fridge, and the microwave when I cooked dinner, and the Starlink. So there's the dinghy I added to the boat. That's the doghouse for the generator, which I guess will just be for backup now. I built this counter on the back of the boat used to come to be just narrow like that. So this counter was nice. And the way the cabin slopes forward here meant this was all wasted space. So I've got lots of storage in there now. And this is 3,000 watts of solar up top, and another 600 watts back here. And there's Dishy McFlatFace, which is how I get my internet on the boat. And there wasn't a walkway here. I cut this walkway through the fly bridge because I was always climbing over the windshield to get to the front deck. These were cushions for the V-berth in one of the sailboats, and they don't really fit here very well, but it's better than no cushion at all. This is a big storage locker along here, and more storage in the front here, and underneath here are two 25-gallon gas tanks. And they're already plumbed into the main tanks in the boat, so I can just throw a switch on the fly bridge and pump that gas into the main tank, so I don't have to like try to refuel with jerry cans or something mid-ocean. And this big box is a duct for the air conditioner, and there's the air conditioner behind it. This table keeps the air conditioner out of the weather. And at the moment, there's foam under here blocking this. But if there's a problem with the air conditioner, I can pull that foam out, and the fan that recirculates air from the cabin into this box will then bring fresh air from outside. And the way this is designed is so that even if it's raining, I'm not going to get air in this duct. See, this is kind of recessed, and so any rain would just drip off of here instead of going uphill and into the duct. And yeah, I want to make new cushions for these eventually. And I put this vinyl over here just for now, because when I used to sit on this sofa, water would squish out and make my butt wet. But yeah, I want to get this reupholstered at some point, or replace it with something that doesn't absorb water. Oh yeah, and I don't know, the inflatable monkey was some sort of major award for getting the Starlink attached to the boat. He's kind of gone a little bit flat, but that was a major award. And yeah, all this testing is being done on the trailer at the boatyard. But so far, so good. The battery ran the air conditioner all night, and all the appliances and stuff, and I had internet, so I watched YouTube videos until it was time to sleep, and nothing shut down, nothing caught fire, and yeah, so far so good. Power and internet, basically, without being plugged into anything. And enough power for air conditioning. That was the goal. And yeah, I guess it's about 11 o'clock now, and I just checked the battery. It's about 50% recharged. So it looks like it'll get a full charge today too. That was the other half of the test. It may be that on cloudy days I might have to turn the air conditioner off a bit in the daytime in order to accumulate enough charge to run it through the night. And I do have another one of the big batteries I could put in here, but I'm kind of exceeding the weight limit for the boat already. So I guess I'm going to try it this way for the summer, and if I think that I need more battery, I've got one more that I can put in. There's 3 of the 4 in here now. So I can get, you know, another 25% capacity adding that other battery. And I had 9% left this morning when the sun came up and started recharging. So I guess that's just it for now. Oh, I can upload this through Starlink. So this will be the first video from the boat that's uploaded from the Starlink system. And I guess that's all, folks, for now.